But don't ask me, I'm dressed so fresh and so clean, clean. Hey, feeling like outcasts out here. How about it's time for you to step up and get that heart so fresh and so clean, clean? How about that? How about we walk and take a heart bath? How about we hydrate, making sure we hydrating and taking an internal bath? Listen, during the super hydration period, do you realize you can take your metabolism up? Listen, 20 to 30% just by getting in at least 17 to 24 or more ounces of water in the first waking hour, whenever your first waking hour is. Listen, you need half of your body weight in ounces of water. I'm America's health teacher, owner and operator of Abundant Health Services. Basic steps to better health. Listen, you don't want to miss Health Class USA. Like Craig Mack say, hey, I got some brand new flavor in your ear. What? Listen, I'm going to be talking about adding some flavor in your immune health program. How about that? If you ain't got one, we're going to get you started with one. How about that? Listen, what I need you to do is tune in 12:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. 12:15, you want to meet your girl. I'm going to be telling y'all 2 more flavonoids that you can add into your rotation. Add a little flavor. Listen, these are easy, practical things that I'm providing you with because, let's keep it real, I understand. I'm a mom. I'm a G-mom now. Listen, I'm a business owner. I'm a teacher. Listen, I'm a friend. I'm a daughter. Like, I understand we all got different roles that we have to play in life, and I'm an only child. So, listen, when mama gets sick, it all falls on me. So, I'm not ignorant to everybody got different things. We got COVID, all this stuff going on. But here's the thing. Here's one thing that I helped my mom to get past COVID early with. So I don't play about them flavonoids. And listen, now, you know, my family is definitely taking heed to all these things that I've been saying. And I'm asking you and your family to take heed. Let's go, Walk America. I want to see us healthy again. I want to see you back to the play of your life. I need you to dead the sodas right now. I need you to tune in, find out 2 more things that you can add a little more flavor into your immune health journey. Listen, if you don't have a plan for your immune health, guess what? That means you are in the health pipeline to an early grave. The government and the cavalry is not coming. Listen, the vaccine is not enough. It's a good starting point for those of you who want to and have taken those steps. Great. What about the Delta variant? What about the Lambda variant? What about the 3 other types of COVID that's out there that the vaccine has not proven effective for? I want you to fortify your immune system. I want you to rejuvenate your immune system. I want you and your kids. What about those in your family who are under 12 that can't get the vaccine? What about them? What about all these kids? I'm telling you as a school teacher, like, we got a problem, y'all. Think about how many kids got asthma. Why would you leave yourself and why would you try to outsource your immune health when you can walk at least 20 to 30 minutes a day? Get that extra vitamin D from the sun. Even if it's cloudy out, you're still getting UV rays. You're still going to get some vitamin D. Get yourself some vitamin D3 spray. Listen, you need to also make sure you're getting enough magnesium every day. And that's where the meditation piece comes in. Sleep is a form of meditation. Get you some Ease Magnesium spray. Spray it on at night so you can get into a deeper sleep meditation. Your immune system needs that. It needs time to repair and kick out some of the viruses, parasites, bacteria, and things that seek to come in to harm you. But a lot of you guys are not giving your body what it needs to really, truly help you. And so I'm going to be talking about that today. How you doing, Miss Jones? Appreciate you. That's right. All right. I got to keep it 100 in health. I want to see everybody win when it comes down to this thing. Like, yo, we losing too much. We losing too many people. And a lot of people think it's hopeless. A lot of people think there's nothing we can do. We can do something about this. You can walk, hydrate, meditate. You can make sure that you're hydrating with green tea. Green tea is rich with antioxidants. It's not an option. If you can't have any caffeine, then get the decaffeinated version. You need what's in it. Listen, you can get Four Sigmatic. They have what's called chaga elixir. Listen, it's some of the best chaga mushrooms. Let's just keep it real. Most of it, I ain't finna eat no regular mushroom. I just can't do it. Can't force myself to do it. But what I can do is I can drink the coffee. What I can do is spend $1.99 at least once a week and go to Whole Foods or order it off of Amazon and get the chaga elixir and make some tea out of it. Mix it with my green tea or mix it with my regular coffee. These are simple things that you could do to strengthen your immune system. I have been exposed 3 times. Delta variant, we all know, is very, very contagious. I ain't get it though. You know why? Because I walk, hydrate, meditate. And they don't get no more direct exposure than living in a house with somebody that has that. You understand? Like, I just need y'all to understand. I'm not talking about some hearsay. Your immune system needs a rich level of zinc. It needs vitamin D3 specifically. It needs vitamin A, selenium, K. It needs omega-3 fatty acids. Where do you get that from? Salmon. I can eat salmon every single day. Every single day. Wild caught salmon right out the pouches. I can walk every single day. I don't care if it's 5 minutes. It's better than no minutes because my body builds more natural killer cells when I take a walk. And my body cleans the plaque out of my heart. That's why I tell y'all, this thing is bigger than weight loss. And I'm obese. So I'm telling you, you got to make a plan for your immune health. Walk, hydrate, meditate. Start there. Get you some salmon at least 3 times a week. If you don't want to do it every day, it's on you, but at least 3 times a week. Get your kids to have salmon. You can get wild caught tuna as well. Tuna make you a little bit sleepy, so I would suggest having it later in the day. But if that, interchange them. Wild caught tuna, wild caught salmon. Salmon is obviously better. But I'm telling you, these are simple things. Green tea every day. You should ideally be having 4 bags of tea every day. You can put all 4 bags in 1 cup. I love y'all. Listen, don't forget 12:15 Health Class USA every first Saturday right here live on Facebook. Check out the Abundant Health Service page. I'll also be live streaming on YouTube and Clubhouse, and I'll be sharing the Zoom link so you can interact and ask me questions directly. But the Abundant Health Services channel on YouTube, you can catch the live stream, and if you want to submit any names for our community health prayer, you can do that as well. I love y'all. I want to see you win. Walk, hydrate, meditate. Ease Magnesium Spray. Get you some vitamin D3 from the sun by walking. And also you can get the spray from Onnit. ONNIT. On it. All right. So you can also get some Ease Magnesium Spray from Amazon if you want. You can also get some Viral Tech if you don't know what supplement to take and you really want to just do a supplement because that's easier for you. Listen, from now until February, get yourself some Viral Tech. It's made by a company called Onnit. It's spelled VIRUTECH. They even give you a money back guarantee. I take it every day. Now I finally convinced my mom to be able to take it every day. She feels the difference in her body. Get you a supplement that works for real. And salmon ain't nothing like the real thing, baby. I love y'all. This is Miss Wells. Peace. Share this with somebody that you love and care about. Share what you've learned with somebody that you love and care about. It ain't about me. It's about you and your family. I want to see you win. Now give me 2 claps and a Ric Flair. Woo! Let's go. You can win in your health. I believe in you. Peace.